I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Tundra's third brake light. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and your new third brake light assembly. Make sure your Tundra is turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. The third brake light is typically located at the top center of the rear cab, above the back window. This quick repair can improve your vehicle's safety and appearance. Now let's get to removing the old light. Locate the two screws, usually Phillips head, that secure the third brake light assembly to the cab. Carefully unscrew them completely. Once the screws are out, gently pry the old light assembly away from the truck's body. Be cautious not to scratch the paint. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it apart. With the old light removed, installing the new one is straightforward. First, take your new third brake light assembly and connect its electrical plug to the truck's wiring harness. Ensure it clicks firmly into place. Next, align the new assembly with the mounting holes on the cab. Gently press it into position. Finally, insert and tighten the two screws to secure the new light. Do not over-tighten, as this can crack the plastic. After installation, it's crucial to test your new third brake light. Have a friend press the brake pedal while you check that the light illuminates correctly. Also, give the assembly a gentle tug to ensure it's securely fastened and doesn't wobble. This simple check confirms your repair is successful and your Tundra is safe for the road. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your vehicle in top shape is important, and so is staying hydrated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.